Because we are going to use something else. Instead of paint, we are going to use 3 different items from the home. This is turmeric powder, this is instant coffee powder, and red food color mixed with water. First we will paint this whole boot with turmeric powder. Let it dry for some time, then I remove my mama said to put the stencil on. Now we will do the coffee color in the stencil part. Double coat this with the coffee again. Now I will use the red food color to make a hard boundary. Let it dry for enough time. I will take all the stuff out and let's see how it looks. Ta-da! Our painting is ready. You can ask your mom to make these stencils to make beautiful paintings. Ha ha ha! Try this beautiful painting.